Hello, I'm Kendra Lindahl, a principal at Landform Professional Services. I lead our planning and urban design studio here at Landform, and I'm here to provide the fall update. 2020 has been a big year. Landform kicked off 2020 continuing to celebrate our 25th anniversary as a firm. As part of that, we had a number of events in the fall to invite our clients in to thank them for the years of working with us and allowing us to provide support services for their development needs. Unfortunately, the planned event in Eagan did not happen because of COVID. But we're continuing to celebrate that milestone throughout 2020 and hope to have other events in the future to thank our clients for their continued support. COVID did change things. It changed how we do business, but Landform has been ready for COVID in the sense that we have committed to new technology from the beginning. In fact, I've worked at Landform for nearly 20 years and have remote worked since the beginning. We were able, therefore, to take the technology and the experience that we have remote working to help our clients continue to move their projects forward. Virtual meetings have changed the way we do business, and we look forward to continuing to incorporate that virtual technology into our work as we move forward. But I, for one, look forward to getting back in the same room with our clients and conducting business that way. Nothing will replace the face-to-face contact with our clients. But until the time that we can safely do that, we will offer virtual technology that feels like we're in the same room. Other big news in 2020 is the opening of our Elk River office in a new location. We've been expanding our operations in Elk River and are excited to announce our new location at 510 Freeport Avenue, Suite F. And we encourage our clients to come visit us in our new location. The Elk River office is growing, as are our other Minneapolis and Eagan offices, and we're continuing to look for great staff. We currently have a key position open as the lead registered land surveyor and are continuing to look for other key positions in this growing economy. Thank you so much for continuing to support Landform either as a client or a vendor, and we look forward to wrapping up 2020 with a bang and starting 2021 with a clean slate.